One exact question they will ask in every interview: what is the difference between list and tuple? First, let me give the commonalities between them. Okay, now a tuple is a sequence of values like a list, and values can be of any type, and they are indexed with integers. That we know, exactly same as list. And one important difference between list and tuple is tuples are immutable objects. I cannot add elements, I cannot change elements, I cannot delete elements. Okay, now tuples are used to create a write protected data. In order to safeguard my data, list is not a right way, because I can add, I can delete, I can update list, but once the tuple is created, I can store write protected data. Okay, now tuples are not dynamic like list, but they are faster than lists. Okay, tuples are enclosed in parentheses. This is the most important question, Andy. What is the difference between tuple is exactly like a list? The difference is that lists are mutable object, tuples are immutable object. Lists are created with square brackets, tuples are created with parentheses. These are the basic features of tuples. Will you agree?
Yes.
Now, shall I go to some basic programming of tuple?
Yes.
Now, yeah. Now let us discuss some basic features of tuples for few minutes. In order to create a tuple, tuples are enclosed in parentheses, and every value or item in the tuples are separated by comma, like this. Look at here. Tuples are parentheses, and every value is separated by comma. I can have any data in the tuple, like 10 is an integer, 20.50 is a float, Python is a string, P is a string, true is a boolean. I can have any kind of data. Now, second point is contains values of different data types that we already know. Now, tuples can be empty. What is the meaning of a tuples? Look at here. A tuples can be empty. Then if I have a single value in the tuple, it must be separated by comma. For example, if I have a single value, it has to be separated by comma. It is mandatory rule. Then can also be nested. That means one tuple can be nested with other. Here, look at here. T5 is a nested tuple. Then one important point is, if a tuple doesn't enclose it in the parenthesis, still it is considered as tuple. Here I have not given parenthesis, still it is considered as a tuple. Will you agree? Shall I demonstrate? Tuples can also be created with a built-in function called tuple. That's it. Now let me demonstrate them in the Jupyter notebook. Look at here. I can create a tuple with parenthesis. I can create a tuple without parenthesis. Then I can create a tuple with without having elements. I can create a tuple with look at here, no elements. If I have a single element in a tuple, it should be separated by comma. For example, if I remove this comma, what will happen? It will be considered as normal integer. Okay. If I give comma, then only it will be considered as a tuple. Okay, na? Now, tuples can be nested. I can have one tuple in another tuple. Now, data 3 of 0 means 0. Data 3 of 0 colon 2 means 0 comma 1. Clear for you? Can you please respond the output of this one? X, Y, Z minus 3 comma minus 1. Can you please tell me the slice operation?
X comma Y.
Yes, it is X comma Y. Now, data 3 of 0 colon 0 colon.
X, Y, Z.
Yes, X, Y, Z. Then colon 2. XY and sorry, this is data 4 and please. Data 3 of colon 2. Just a minute. Data 3 of column 2. This is data 3. Column 2 means 0, 1. Then data 3 of 1.1. Can I give an index as float?
No.
No, it is going to generate a error. It should not be a float. Okay. Now, I can add 2 tuples by using plus operation. I can do replication operation of the tuple. Then I can do slicing operations. Now, colon minus 1. What is the meaning of colon minus 1 of data 8? Can you please respond? Colon minus 1.
7.
Is it 7 or except 7?
Except
Colon
7.
minus 1 and except 7 and okay.
Except.
Minus 1 colon. Now it is 7. Okay. Now, if I want to delete a specific element, I can delete it by using a keyword called del delete of data 10. Okay. Now, can you please tell me the logic of this one? What will be the output of this one? I am adding all the sum 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 7. The simple for loop I have given. That's it. This is about tuples. Okay. Can you practice with list programs? Then come for tuple. Okay. You may practice tuple or not, but it is mandatory to practice all exercises which we have done today.